Have you ever wondered how to make authentic Spanish chicken and rice at home? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to take a culinary trip to Spain, right from the comfort of your own kitchen. Chicken and rice, or arroz con pollo, is a classic Spanish dish that's delicious and easy to make. So, unbuckle your belt, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. To start, gather all the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a whole chicken cut into pieces, 1 large finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 chopped red pepper, 2 peeled and chopped ripe tomatoes, 1½ cups of short grain rice, 3 cups of chicken broth, half a teaspoon of saffron, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and a handful of fresh parsley to garnish. Start by warming up the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. After the oil is hot, bring in the chicken pieces and season them with salt and pepper. Ensure they turn brown on all sides, which should take approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Once this is done, take out the chicken pieces and place them on the side. Now, toss in some chopped onions, minced garlic and red pepper in the same heated skillet. Stir these until they soften up and turn translucent, a process that should take around 5 minutes. Now add the peeled and chopped tomatoes to the pan. Stir them and let them cook for a few minutes until they break down and form a sauce. Now add the rice. Pour it into the pan and stir until each grain is coated with the tomato sauce. This is a crucial step, as it gives the rice its characteristic flavor. Then, return the chicken pieces to the pan, nesting them amongst the rice. Add the chicken broth, making sure it covers all the ingredients. Also, the saffron threads and the paprika. Mix everything together, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, check the rice. It should be tender but still have a bit of bite. If it's not ready, let it cook for a few more minutes. Finally, when the rice is cooked to your liking, remove the pan from the heat. Let it sit for a few minutes before serving. Sprinkle a bit of fresh parsley on top for garnish, and there you have it, a delicious and authentic Spanish chicken rice. In summary, preparing chicken with rice involves browning chunks of chicken, sautéing onions, garlic and pepper, adding tomatoes to make a sauce, covering the rice with the sauce, returning the chicken to the pan, adding chicken broth and seasonings, and letting everything simmer until the rice is cooked. A simple but tasty dish that's sure to impress. So why not give it a try? Your kitchen might be far from Spain, but with this recipe, a taste of Spanish cuisine is never more than a few steps away.